Hello BCC student, today I am going to teach you three types of functions: a linear constant, linear increasing or decreasing, and then quadratic. Alright, so let's dive in. Okay, number one is linear constant, and then number two is linear increasing, and number three is linear decreasing. All right, and then I'm going to of course teach you the quadratic. So let's say linear constant. Linear constant, any functions, the parent formula for any type of function we can start with as ax squared plus bx plus c, or we can write ax cubed plus bx squared plus cx plus d. Okay, all right, so now we will start, since we're going to limit ourselves with only quadratic functions for this class. We're going to use this format: y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. We're going to let a is equal to 0 and b is equal to 0, so y is equal to c. All right, so I'm going to give an example: y is equal to c. So let's say y is equal to 2. How do we graph it? So this is your x and this is your y. So y is equal to 2. You graph it like that. So this is y is equal to 2. Linear increasing. How do you do linear increasing? Linear increasing, so you will start with the same thing. Y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. In this case, a is 0. So you have y is equal to bx plus c. Sometimes people write y equal to mx plus b. They are the same thing. Okay, they are the same thing. Now, the graph of this one, this is x, this is y, this is x, this is y. So the slope is positive. So it's increasing, linear increasing. So that means it looks like this. The slope is 1. Okay. Now we want to see the linear decreasing. We want to start the same way. Y is ax squared plus bx plus c. So if a is 0, then you have y is equal to bx plus c. We want to rewrite it, if you want, as mx plus b. So it is linear decreasing if it is a negative slope. And how it look like? It looks like this. Okay, so the slope is negative 1. Now I'm going to show you the other one, the quadratic. Quadratic function. So y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. All right. So this is a quadratic function. A cannot be 0, by the way. All right. A cannot be 0. So for example, y is equal to x squared. So this is a quadratic function. What makes it quadratic? Degree 2 makes it quadratic, and this is how it look like, x and y. So now let's create a quadratic problem. So 2x squared plus x minus 10, y is equal to, we're going to solve it two different ways: 2x squared plus x minus 10. Alright, so in the beginning we said that the parent function for quadratic equations are y equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. So a is 2. So this is a. B is 1, because if there is no coefficient, then it is 1. So B is 1. C is negative 10. Okay, so now I'm going to write the quadratic formula. So x is equal to negative b plus minus b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So x is equal to, what is b? B is 1, so negative 1 plus minus. B is 1, so 1 is squared. Okay, minus 4. What is A? A is 2. What is C? C is negative 10. 2. What is A? A is 2. So x is negative 1 plus minus 1 minus minus plus 80 over 4. So x is equal to negative 1 plus minus 81 over 4. That means it's give me two answers. Minus 1 plus minus square root of 81 is 9 over 4. So it gives me two answers. What two answers it gives me? It gives me this two answers. Minus 1 plus 9 over 4 and minus 1 minus 9 over 4. So 8 over 4, which is 2, and 2.5, which is negative 2.5, which is negative 2.5. So x has two value. So x has two value. X is 2 and x is negative 2.5. So we're going to do it in a different way right now. Okay, so this is, we're going to factor it. So find two number whose sum is 1 but product is negative 10. Okay, so what does that mean? So the product is negative 20, 2 times negative 10, 2 times negative 10. Okay, so that means negative 20. Which product is negative 20? So which two number gonna give us? This two number gonna give us that. So 2x squared plus 5x minus 4x minus 10. Okay. So the product of these two number, 5 times negative 4, is negative 20. Check. The sum of these two number, 5 minus 4, is 1. Okay? Check. Okay. So now we're going to factor. So what is the common factor between these two? X. So 2x plus 5 minus 4 is not 4, minus 2. So 2x plus 5. Okay, so 2x plus 5 and x minus 2. So 2x plus 5 is 0. So x is equal to negative 2.5. X minus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 2. So this match with what we find with the quadratic formula. So you can use the quadratic formula